Omo, I don't wish to be like Chioma Adeleke. I don't even pray to be like her. Someone that Davido has severally disrespected on this internet space. Why should I pray to be like her? Like, she's an understanding wife, so I don't want to be an understanding wife. I don't want to be like Chioma. I don't want to be like this one. My dear, will you go and sit down for poto poto? Who cares? You wey dey talk, who go marry you? No be when you place value on yourself that you even get to see a man that will love you. Now one Twitter girl dey make all these things oh, you think say na me dey talk all these things? Me wey be Davido's second daughter. Why I go talk this one? Na me dey carry all this Davido 2024 for head though. I dey carry am like gala for my head. I can never talk down on anybody, talk more of my favorite and his wife. Like, hey God, even for my dream, I no go ever deny Davido. Some people why do people no like good things for this life? No wonder good things no dey come to some people. Seriously. You can never be a lover of good things and you talk say you no like Davido and his wife. Hey, how do some people sleep for night? Anyways, nothing concerns us. My own is that this wedding is here to stay and it will be a total shutdown. Like, you can see it already that it's going to be a bomb. The wedding go loud. Just buy your data, buy enough data, cause the whole of next week is for Davido and his wife, beautiful Chioma. Yes, it will be a total shutdown. Hello. Get ready to be tired of we 30 BGs, cause now the latest we go dey bring updates of Davido 2024. Now we go share. I can't wait. Like, I can't even sleep. I made this video around 3 a.m. You can just imagine how much I am anticipating for this wedding. Like, we all hoped and prayed for this day, and here it is on our very eyes happening. All forces were thrown, but as God may have it, love conquered everything. It's Davido and Chioma Adeleke. Nothing gonna change that. So if you are hating on them, better start coming back, cause they are here to stay. Nothing is changing that. I be my people waiting on that thing. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news where they talk everybody. When I see they do for my page, no don't mental as then they cook I'm not so they can't give on. It's still your one and only amiable head girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Ngwano. Bye.